Hey everyone, it's Sam. Today we're going to be looking at Python, setting it up and running it for the first time. It's really easy. You don't even really need a tutorial for this. Just write print hello world and you're done. No. Okay, after you install PyCharm, now you just have to type fix. Okay, there you go. Now you just run. Found the problem. You actually need Python for Python. Imagine that. Now we can run it, but not before selecting our interpreter in PyCharm. There we have it. It's that easy. You are officially a computer programmer. Now just sit back and let the checks roll in. It's that easy.